Welcome to Fun Fruit School! Look, kids, it's the number 1. Can you say 1? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Look, 4 apples. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, everyone, it is the number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hooray! Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, everyone. This is the number 8. Can you clap 8 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hooray! We counted to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hooray! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Today we are learning the number 13. 1 and 3 makes 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,